That split second when you realize you're about to hit the car next to you while changing lanes. Your heart stops, palms sweat, and you think, how did I not see them? This nightmare scenario happens to thousands of drivers every single day, and it's completely preventable. Today, we're diving into 15 game-changing driving techniques that driving schools rarely teach, but every driver desperately needs to know. These aren't just tips, they're your shield against accidents, your ticket to stress-free driving, and your path to becoming the driver everyone wishes they could be. From steering like a pro to reading the road like a NASCAR driver, we're covering it all. Let's jump in. Tip number 1, the heel anchor secret. Professional drivers never completely lift their foot off the floor when switching between pedals. The secret is the heel anchor technique. Keep your heel planted firmly on the floor and pivot your foot between the gas and brake. This gives you millisecond precise control when every moment counts. Besides preventing accidents, this technique reduces leg fatigue on long drives by up to 40% since your muscles aren't constantly lifting your entire foot. This method gives you better pedal feel, that subtle feedback that tells you exactly how much pressure you're applying. It's why F1 drivers can brake with microscopic precision. Master this technique and you'll have professional level control over your vehicle. Tip number 2, the gas cap holder secret. Ever seen someone at the gas station with their fuel cap balancing on the roof or dangling by that little plastic tether? That's a $3,000 repair bill waiting to happen. Your gas door has a built-in holder specifically designed for your fuel cap, that little hook or slot that's been hiding in plain sight every time you fill up. This prevents your cap from picking up dirt and debris that can transfer directly into your fuel tank. Over time, those contaminants clog fuel injectors, damage your fuel pump, and can even lead to complete engine failure. Using this holder takes literally 2 seconds, but could save you thousands in repairs. The average fuel system cleaning costs $150, and a full fuel pump replacement can set you back $1,500 to $3,000, depending on your vehicle. Tip number 3, the rental car lifesaver. Ever circled a gas station in a rental car trying to figure out which side the fuel door is on? You've been ignoring a feature that's been staring you in the face for decades. Look at your fuel gauge right now. See that tiny arrow next to the gas pump icon? That's pointing directly to the side of your car where your fuel door is located. This universal feature has been standard in vehicles since the mid-1980s. Yet surveys show nearly 50% of drivers have never noticed it. This little arrow has saved countless minutes of embarrassment and awkward 3-point turns at busy gas stations. For older cars without the arrow, the side of the pump icon on your gauge often indicates the correct side. Tip number 4, the color-coded engine bay. Ever popped your hood and immediately felt like you're staring at an alien spaceship? There's a secret decoder ring right in front of your eyes that most drivers never notice. Manufacturers color-code engine components to tell you exactly what you can safely handle yourself versus what needs professional attention. Those bright yellow, blue, or red caps are practically screaming, "It's safe to touch me." Yellow typically indicates oil-related components. Blue is for coolant or windshield washer fluid, while black or gray parts are mechanic territory. This isn't random. It's an international standard designed to prevent costly mistakes. Understanding this color system could save you hundreds in unnecessary service fees. Basic fluid checks and top-offs are simple DIY tasks that shops charge $50 to $100 for during routine maintenance. Tip number 5, the seat setup science. Your driving position determines everything. Your reaction time, visibility, control, and even how tired you get on long trips. Yet most drivers treat seat adjustment like an afterthought, setting it once and forgetting about it for years. Poor seat positioning creates a cascade of problems. Sit too close, and the airbag becomes dangerous. Too far back, and you lose precise control. Wrong height blocks your view of critical road areas. An incorrect backrest angle causes fatigue and reduces your ability to react quickly in emergencies. Start with height. Adjust until you can clearly see the entire dashboard and have an unobstructed view of the road. Your eye level should be roughly halfway up the windshield. For distance, ensure at least 12 inches between your chest and the steering wheel while maintaining comfortable reach to all controls. Set the backrest between 100 to 110 degrees, not the cool laid-back position you see in movies, but upright enough for quick reactions and comfort. Position your headrest so the center aligns with the middle of your head. This seemingly minor adjustment can prevent serious neck injuries in a collision. Tip number 6, steering wheel mastery. The way you grip your steering wheel sends signals about your driving competence and directly impacts your safety. The old school 10 and 2 position your driving instructor taught you is not just outdated, it's potentially dangerous. Modern airbags deploy with tremendous force. If your hands are positioned at 10 and 2 during a collision, the airbag can drive your hands directly into your face, causing serious injuries including broken bones. Additionally, this higher hand position reduces your leverage and control over the vehicle. The current standard is 9 and 3, or even 8 and 4 for some drivers. This lower position keeps your hands out of the airbag's deployment path while maximizing your control and leverage. Your arms should be slightly bent, not fully extended, allowing for quick, precise movements. Keep both hands on the wheel whenever possible. Every beverage, text message, or song skip that takes your hands away from the wheel reduces your ability to react to emergencies. The few seconds you save aren't worth the risk. Tip number 7, mirror magic. Here's a fact that will shock you. If you can see your own car in your side mirrors, you're doing it completely wrong. This common mistake creates dangerous blind spots that contribute to thousands of accidents every year. Traditional mirror positioning creates gaps in your visual coverage, areas where vehicles can hide completely while you remain oblivious. These blind spots are particularly dangerous during lane changes and merges, leading to sideswipe accidents that could easily be prevented. Adjust your mirrors outward until your car just disappears from view. This creates overlapping fields of vision between your rearview mirror, side mirrors, and peripheral vision. As a vehicle passes you, it should transition seamlessly from your rearview mirror to your side mirror to your direct sight. No gaps, no surprises. This technique dramatically expands your visual awareness and reduces collision risk. Combined with a quick shoulder check, you'll have complete 360-degree awareness around your vehicle. Smash that like button if these tips are opening your eyes to better driving techniques. Tip number 8, the art of looking ahead. Most drivers focus on the car directly in front of them, missing crucial information that could prevent accidents. Professional drivers know that your eyes should be scanning far beyond your immediate vicinity. Fixating on the car right in front of you creates tunnel vision. You miss early warning signs of trouble ahead, brake lights in the distance, lane changes, or road obstacles. This reactive driving style leaves you constantly playing catch-up instead of anticipating and preventing problems. Train your eyes to look through turns, not at them. When cornering, focus your vision where you want to go, not where you currently are. This natural technique helps you maintain smooth lines and avoid the jerky overcorrections that mark amateur drivers. Scan the road well ahead in traffic. Even spotting brake lights several cars ahead gives you precious seconds to react smoothly instead of slamming on your brakes at the last second. Watch for patterns. Multiple vehicles changing lanes often signals an obstruction or slowdown ahead. Tip number 9, highway merging mastery. Merging onto highways terrifies new drivers and frustrates experienced ones. The anxiety comes from treating the acceleration lane as a suggestion rather than a tool designed for your success. Timid merging creates dangerous situations. If you're moving significantly slower than highway traffic, you force other drivers to brake or change lanes suddenly. This disrupts traffic flow and increases accident risk for everyone involved. Use every inch of the acceleration lane to match highway speeds. You should be traveling at the same speed as traffic by the time the lane ends. This makes merging seamless rather than stressful. Look for gaps early and signal your intentions clearly. Don't wait until the last second to find a space. Confident merging at proper speeds reduces stress, improves traffic flow, and dramatically decreases your chances of causing or being involved in an accident. Tip number 10, smooth braking technique. Heavy braking is often unnecessary and always wasteful. Constantly exercising your brakes indicates poor planning and reduces fuel efficiency while increasing wear on your vehicle. Aggressive braking creates a chain reaction behind you, leading to traffic congestion and increased accident risk. It also signals to other drivers that you're not anticipating road conditions effectively. Lift off the accelerator earlier and coast in gear as far as possible before applying brakes. This technique maintains momentum, saves fuel, and creates a safety buffer that gives you more options in emergency situations. Watch traffic patterns ahead and anticipate stops before they happen. Smooth deceleration is a hallmark of professional driving. It reduces stress on your vehicle, saves money on fuel and brake maintenance, and creates a more comfortable experience for your passengers. Which of these techniques have you tried before? Let me know in the comments below. Tip number 11. Mastering your steering position for safety. One seemingly innocent habit kills more drivers than most people realize. Pre-turning your wheels while waiting to make a left turn. This common practice transforms a minor rear-end collision into a potentially fatal head-on crash. When your wheels are angled left while you're stopped, a rear-end impact immediately launches your vehicle into oncoming traffic. What should be a simple fender bender becomes a catastrophic multi-vehicle collision. Statistics show that intersection accidents account for 22% of traffic fatalities, and improper wheel positioning significantly increases the severity. Keep your wheels pointed straight ahead until you're actually making the turn. Your foot should remain firmly on the brake, and only turn the steering wheel when you begin moving forward to complete your turn. This takes zero additional time, but could save your life. This technique ensures that if you're hit from behind, your vehicle moves forward in its lane rather than into the path of oncoming traffic. Tip number 12. Reading the truck driver's code. Professional truck drivers have a secret communication system that amateur drivers ignore, missing crucial road information that could prevent accidents and save time. Commercial drivers sit 8 feet higher than you and can see road conditions up to 1.5 miles ahead, obstacles, accidents, and speed traps that are invisible from your sedan. When multiple trucks suddenly change to the same lane, they're not randomly moving around. They're communicating through CB radios and coordinated movements about hazards ahead. Pay attention to synchronized truck movements. If several big rigs move to the right lane simultaneously, there's likely an obstruction, accident, or enforcement activity in the left lanes ahead. Follow their lead and change lanes early, rather than waiting until you're forced to brake suddenly. This elevated intelligence network can help you avoid traffic jams, accidents, and surprise situations by giving you advanced warning that regular drivers miss entirely. Tip number 13. Escaping the blind spot trap. Even with perfect mirrors, you can still find yourself in someone else's blind spot, a dangerous position that puts you at the mercy of inattentive drivers who might change lanes directly into you. Riding alongside another vehicle or slightly behind their rear axle puts you in their danger zone. Many drivers don't properly check blind spots before changing lanes, making your position extremely risky. You have no control over their actions, but you have complete control over your positioning. If you find yourself beside another vehicle, make a decision quickly. Either accelerate to move ahead of them where they can clearly see you, or ease off the gas and drop back until you're visible in their mirrors. Never cruise in that invisible zone alongside another car. Active positioning keeps you out of dangerous spots and gives you multiple escape routes in emergency situations. Tip number 14. Weather driving confidence. Most drivers panic in bad weather, but the secret to confidence is controlled practice rather than avoiding these conditions entirely. Waiting until you're forced to drive in snow or rain guarantees a terrifying experience. Fear of weather driving comes from unfamiliarity. Without understanding how your vehicle behaves on wet or slippery surfaces, every storm becomes a white-knuckle experience. This anxiety leads to overcautious driving that can be just as dangerous as reckless driving. Practice in safe environments during mild weather conditions. Find an empty parking lot during light rain or snow and experience how your car's braking distances increase and how steering response changes. Learn these lessons at 15 miles per hour in a controlled environment rather than 65 miles per hour on the highway. Understanding your vehicle's limits in various conditions transforms weather driving from terrifying to merely cautious. You'll know exactly how much extra space you need and how gently to apply steering and braking inputs. Tip number 15, the brake and coast revolution. After driving through standing water, your brakes can become temporarily unreliable, a dangerous situation most drivers completely ignore. Water creates a thin film between the brake pads and rotors, reducing stopping power just when you might need it most. In some cases, wet brakes can cut braking effectiveness by more than half. That means your car may not respond the way you expect when you press the pedal. Many accidents happen because drivers assume their brakes will work normally right after splashing through puddles. The fix is simple. After driving through standing water, test your brakes gently while keeping a safe distance from other vehicles. Apply light pressure to the pedal several times. This creates friction and heat, which evaporates moisture from the brake components. You'll feel normal braking power return as the pads dry out. This quick habit takes less than 30 seconds, but ensures your brakes are ready when you need them most. These 15 techniques separate confident drivers from the crowd, but knowledge without action is useless. Pick 3 techniques that resonated with you most and practice them this week. Your future self and everyone sharing the road with you will thank you. Remember, great drivers aren't born. They're made through deliberate practice and smart techniques. Start with these fundamentals, master them completely, and watch your confidence behind the wheel transform forever. Drive safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.